Here we go. It is the Kent Beck Scrum with Sam and Sigo and Matt. It is a Wednesday. As a result, I've updated the Meetup remote pepperoni group with a link, wish we could automate that. All about outreach. Things going on. I've spent the last hour or two, actually, apart from lunch, where I finished reviewing the new Architect book. I've been doing website 1 DevOps of trying to get the last few bits of things. I moved them from develop into staging. Generally good progress there. Identified a couple of issues with the new Twitter live stream tweeting feature, which we've just wrapped into a little bug that we've started a vote on in website 1. So some good progress there, not blocked. While I was doing that, I had a phone call from Google Enterprise Support telling me this kind of mysterious, yes, the Google Hangouts API is going away on April 25th, but there is. I mean, it's funny. It's like they say, like, there might be a replacement coming, and I was like, okay, can you be more specific? And they're like, no, it's not public yet. And I'm saying, okay, what can you tell me? And I'm like saying, like, if we can't get set up with it before the changeover, then we end up with this period of it not working. And they're kind of like, yeah, it's just this is Google. I don't know. Or, I mean, anyway. So who knows? It's all just more vagueness, and we will see. Like we had that 2 weeks where the whole Hangouts was just not working at all, or was not, the Hangout buttons were not working. So yes, I guess I've achieved my main goal of getting through episode 1. I need to review more PRs for local support, even some other ones for website 1. I've got a meeting with Dree, our sponsor, immediately after this Hangout, and I need to get my DevOps conference talk prepared. That is me. So not blocked, just lost to. Sigu, how are things going with you?
Yeah, I'm okay. I was a bit off after the holidays. I didn't really settle that fast. So as from today, I can assure you that I'm settled for local support and MedPlus. So I'll be clearing the issues on MedPlus with Patrick, if possible. If I get stuck, I'll be clearing them with Patrick. Hopefully, I can't remember the name. I don't know. Tom, she's called Tom.
Tom Wei.
Yeah, Tom Wei. So Tom Wei came along and helped me through some issues, but it was not really clear. So I'm planning to clear those issues probably before tomorrow. Yeah, that's all for now. Yeah.
Great. And you're not blocked by anything at the moment?
Not really. Nothing's blocking me.
Great stuff. Thanks, Sigu. Great to have you with us. Matt, how are things going with you?
Yeah, good. I think my to-do list is getting longer. I think the first thing is to work on the bug, because I feel like that's kind of urgent. You probably don't want to release until we get that fixed.
Yeah. I mean, it's the funny thing is, it will kind of, I mean, if we think about the ticket that we're working on there, the ticket is specifically the problem that some videos get released into the tweet stream where they're not live videos. And so the way the system currently works is no. Oh, do you need to take that?
No.
That no videos will get released. So in the broad definition, the current thing, it doesn't cause the website to blow up when somebody does something. It actually, sort of partially fixes the problem. It sort of removes all of the things. So at the same time, I think while our brains are kind of focused on it, it's a good thing to get it done and get it out. While I remember how to do these kind of tests on staging. Yes, sorry, go on.
Okay, so hopefully I'll get that done pretty soon, today. And then I can move on to the other ticket, which I kind of started, which is putting in a new field on the project screen, the Slack channel.
Right.
And for that one, I guess I can wait, but I think I'll need access to that Slack channel in order to test this.
Well, you'll need a Slack API token.
Yeah. Would that be that Slack channel you're talking about, that's the third.
I don't think that you would necessarily need the separate. I think that there's probably, as regards this, like for the things like Hangouts where we actually do notifications, then I mean, it sort of makes sense for it to go to a different Slack instance so that it doesn't ping to the right place. Although we can now we have the standard tier, we can probably sort that out. For the purpose of just listing the channels, it's I think perfectly reasonable just to do it on the main Slack instance.
Okay.
So we'll get. I think we already have the Slack tokens in there.
You already have them, or do I need to be an admin to create new tokens?
I don't think you do. I think you'll just have. We've got existing Slack things in there, so in principle you can do it all. I mean, the thing that I know, I'll just mention in relation to that, is that we've got this ongoing bug that it was working at one point, but we have this thing for like automated invites on Slack, which now just seems to totally not work. So there's kind of like the way in which Website 1 talks to Slack is something that we need to kind of like look into and get clear on, and there may be some problems.
Maybe this is like another Twitter type thing. Maybe there's refactoring.
Yeah, maybe. I mean, arguably, it might make more sense to fix the bug regarding the invitations in Slack first before working on the thing to add this new functionality. Although I suspect that both of them will triangulate on the same. Maybe.
No, I'll look at that then. So I won't after I do the first priority thing.
Yeah, well, there's definitely the first thing is like a bit of a research about the way in which Website 1 talks to Slack, and maybe the invitations and the other thing are completely independent systems. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool. Anything else blocking you at all?
Nope.
Great. All right. That's our Scrum. Things are done. Anybody got anything else that we need to work out?
Not really. I'm okay for now.
The only other thing I was going to mention is it was great to see, Sigurd, that SES was getting set up with local support.
Yeah.
It does sound like the not being able to pull in the gems was related to a connectivity issue. Is that a? I know. Has she graduated from the university now?
Not yet. She's still at the university.
Okay. But I guess access to an internet connection is challenging sometimes. Is that?
Yeah, it's very challenging. Sometimes she has to use her own internet for that. And I think sometime earlier on I realized that in their university there's a proxy which sometimes does not allow such connections. Yeah, and sometimes the connections go through. So I don't really understand how the admins set up their proxies.
I see. And how do you deal with that at Code 90? Do you have your own internet connection?
Yes, it's like 25 kilometers away from where she is.
Okay, right. And so she's graduated from Code 90, so she doesn't have access to the Code 90 as a resource anymore.
Yes.
No, that all makes sense. Right. Yes. Well, I wonder if I wonder if there's a workaround which involves linking to the non-secure version of the Ruby gems or something, or how it's like HTTPS or another proxy server. Anyway, we'll see.
Yeah.
Oh,
go on, Matt.
Yes.
Just one more thing. Just so I can reserve the time. Are we thinking January 23rd maybe for that?
Sure. For what?
The book club.
Oh, the Agile Book Club. Yeah, I'm sort of very happy to push
going on.
Yeah, push that off. Yeah, Ashley's saying she's Monday through Thursday. As soon as for her, I've got to buy the book. So
yeah, that's what I was thinking. I got to buy the book and look at it. So I'm definitely Monday the 23rd at the earliest, assuming we can work out a time for people at free. But okay, tentative. I'll plan on. Okay,
cool. All right. Well, I think that's everything. I mean, I'm probably to hang out here for the next 3 minutes, just in case somebody comes into the hangout late, as they occasionally do. Yeah, Sigurd, just let us know if there's anything else we can do to help or support you or any of the Code 90 folks.
Yeah. Okay, so I'll let you know. All right.
All right.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
But I was going to ask Sigu about how the.
It's okay. I'm still here.
Oh, you said what? I was just going to say, how is it going now with the with Code 90 itself in terms of your next cohort of students and so on?
Yes. So I think these will talk when you're not live. So we'll have a chat later on about it.
Oh, okay. Sure thing.
Yeah, when you're not live.
All right.
Yes.
Not to worry. All right. Yeah. Well, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll turn off the